Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to see Unit 1 Data Engineering. Topic is based on batch processing and real time data processing, that is ETL versus ELT. We will explore how data flows from its source and its destination using two primary processing methods, that is batch and real time. We will also look at how data is integrated using ETL and ELT framework models. Think of this as learning the difference between a water delivery truck that drops off a month supply of bottles at once versus a continuous tap supplying water to your house instantly. Introduction to data processing. So before looking at the system, let's define data processing. It is the structured method of collecting raw data, transforming it into the clean format and analyzing it so the business or program can make smart decisions. In data engineering, we have two main processing approaches. One is a batch and real time, and two integration overflows, ETL and ELT. So imagine a restaurant, a raw data is uncooked in ingredients. Data processing is the chef chopping, cooking and plates the food so the customer can actually enjoy it. So next one is a batch processing. So the batch processing is when we collect a huge amount of data over time and process it all together at the specifically scheduled interval, like at the end of the day or month, because it runs during off peak hours. It has lower processing cost and is amazing for historical trend analysis. For example, payroll systems or monthly bank statements. Your bank does not print and mail a statement every time you buy a coffee. Instead, it collects all your transactions for 30 days and generate one single PDF statement at the end of the month. So real-time data processing. So unlike batching, real-time data processing handles data immediately as it generated. It provides instant analysis, up-to-date information, and allows business to make split-second decisions. So example, GPS tracking systems like Upper or Google Maps. If you are tracking a delivery driver, you cannot wait for a delivery batch report to see where they are. You need to see their live moving icon update on the map second by second. So ETL definitions, extract transform load. So definition, process and the advantages of ETL. So ETL is the traditional data integration method. The order here matters. First we extract data from source. Second we clean, filter and format it in a temporary staging area. And finally we load the data into the data warehouse. It coordinates especially high and data quality. For example, traditional brick and mortar retail analytics. So imagine a retail chain extracting daily sales numbers from local store database, converting all different currencies and regional task format into a single standard format in a staging area, and then saving that clean data into the central corporate warehouse. So ELT is nothing but it's a modern flip of the old method designed for the modern cloud platform and massive big data. Here we extract the data and immediately load it directly into the modern cloud data lake into its raw form. So we only transform the data later on demand whenever a data scientist actually need it. This makes us data injections extremely fast and highly scalable. So social media data stream, a platform like Instagram extract raw data, comments like video, uploads images and dumps is directly into the massive cloud storage repository instantly. Later, if a marketing team wants to analyze sentiment, they apply transformation to just the comment test on demand. So, in order to conclude this section, we wrap up or section, choosing between batch and real time or ELT versus ELT. ETL versus ELT entirely depends on your business needs, budget and data scale. If you need instant answer, go real time. If you are managing vast cloud data lakes with varying structures, ELT is the best friend. Thank you for your time.